The Governor, Senator Basio, too, has been applauded for not only transforming the communication sector, but placing the state on the map of modern media excellence through its transformative governance. The acting Vice Chancellor, University of Cross River State, Professor Francis Kabasi, stated this at the maiden edition of International Conference on Media and Communication Studies, organized by the Department of Mass Communication in collaboration with the Nigeria chapter of International Communication Association held in Calabar. Victor Ekanem filed in this report as taken from our studios. The reports.
Professor Bassi, who spoke through the Director of Administration, University of Cross River State, Professor Tom Ojikpong, said the conference remains a strategic intervention in strengthening the role of communication in knowledge development, public enlightenment, and national progress. She explained that the events provide platform to interrogate theories, refine practices, and engage emerging trends that are shaping global communication landscape.
Understanding both the science that governs communication and the means by which scientific knowledge is disseminated has become crucial. This conference, therefore, is not just another academic gathering. It is a strategic intervention in strengthening the role of communication in knowledge development, public enlightenment, and national progress.
The chairman of the occasion, Professor Jacob Agba, said the conference reaffirms the institution's commitment to research and institutional relevance in national and international discourse for the larger society. The State Commissioner for Information, Dr. Erasmus Ekpang, and his education counterpart, Senator Stephen Ode, urged the institution to ensure that the outcome of the conference do not only influence policy, but enhance media literacy and foster a more informed and responsive citizenry.
A conference like this offers us the opportunity to brainstorm, to see whether we can definitely decide where mass communication or communication generally should be placed.
In a world where a single tweet can ignite a revolution or dismantle a reputation, we are all living proof that communication has evolved from mere speech to an intricate science of influence, interception, and action.
And I'm also very proud to associate with this university as the supervisory ministry. It is our responsibility to ensure that UNICROSS grow from strength to strength. And with the passion of the present governor, I believe that UNICROSS will get to the next level.
The head of Department Mass Communications, University of Cross River State, Dr. John Okam, his counterpart from the University of Calabar, Professor Annie, and the chairperson's local organizing committee, Dr. Emmanuel Inyang and Dr. Goswill John, said the conference has provided fresh insights into scientific and social dynamics of communication.
It is a dream for us in Nigeria. It is a dream for Pan-Africanism. It is a dream that will create a country that will be fascinated with people that are interested in contemporary development in the sciences.
The social media has changed so many things in communication. It has changed things that initially we never think would exist, but it is a plus to the entire generality of communication.
Science of communication and the communication of science. The idea is to review communication practices that have existed over time and to see how technology has facilitated communication.
It's not sufficient to teach in class, you just keep teaching in class, but you also have to organize a convention of this sort, where people, intellectuals can come together and discuss, and forge knowledge.
This is a classroom, it's a place for us to learn. It is not just a place for our students to learn, it is a place too for lecturers to learn. The idea, the misery, the might of reporting science and science-related events would not be demystified. Time was when they used to employ journalists and non-journalists, professionals, and send
have to train as science reporters.
The event featured cultural dance, paper presentation, group photograph. For CRBC News, I am Blessing Osoku.